Hello guys, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you, have you accidentally deleted an important email in Gmail and now you can't find it anywhere. In this video I will show you every official method you can use to recover deleted Gmail's emails. So let's get started. First you need to open Gmail in your web browser like this. Okay, on the left sidebar here, click on more option. Here you can get the trash or recycle bin option. Just click and open it. If your deleted email is showing here, simply select it. Now click on move to inbox. Okay, your email will immediately restore in your inbox. Remember guys, Gmail normally keeps deleted email in trash for up to 60 days only. Before 60 days you need to move your deleted email to inbox. While you deleted any email accidentally, so here you can get the undo option. So just simply click on it. It will automatically restore on your inbox. So you can get undo option for 3 to 4 seconds only. So just click on undo option suddenly. If the email is not in trash, don't panic. Use email search box and here you need to search by sender email address or subject of that email or any keyword from the email. From here you can easily able to find out. Also check your all emails or particularly spam folder, or you can get the archive folder here. Okay, in the left side panel. Sometime email are not deleted, they are simply moved to the another folder. That's why you need to check your all email, spam folder, trash folder or archive folder, or you can check your draft folder as well. Just need to check it out all your folder. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still the problem is same, still your email was not restored. If you use multiple Gmail account, make sure you are signing into the correct one. Many users accidentally search the wrong account and think the email is gone. So make sure you have login with your correct Gmail account. If the email is still missing, you can try Google official Gmail message recover tool. This tool is mainly designed for situation where email disappear because of unauthorized account access or technical issue. One thing you need to keep in mind, that it does not guarantee recover of email that were manually and permanently deleted. If an email has permanently removed from your Gmail, recover is usually not possible for personal Gmail account. That's why it is important to check the trash folder before emptying your trash folder. So I hope this video help you to recover your deleted Gmail email. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.